How to fix flash not working on Snapchat. If you are having problem using the flash on Snapchat, just follow these steps. Open up Snapchat first, and from here what you want to do is try to turn on the flash. So on the top right you'll find the flash icon, just tap on it. And now if you just tap on the camera, the flash should start working. As you can see, my flash is working perfectly fine. But if you're having trouble working with the flash, then you must check if the flash is working on other apps as well. So go ahead and open up your camera, and from here you just want to tap on the flash option at the top and click on the flash, turn it on, and check if it's working on your camera or not. So let me just click a picture. As you can see, the flash is working perfectly fine on other app. But if it's only Snapchat where your flash is not working, long press on it and then tap on the I button. Once you head over to its info, head over to permissions and make sure that you turn on the camera permission. So tap on it and then don't allow it once, then allow it again, go back, and then head over to storage section, because sometimes the junk files might be causing the issue. So go ahead and clear cache. And after that, on battery usage, make sure it's set to unrestricted or optimized. And once all of that is done, refresh your app once and then try to use your flash again. And after you've done that, your flash should start working perfectly fine. So let me just turn it on. And then if I just tap on my screen, as you can see, the flash is working. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful.